Mr. Nyck, Mr. Nyck, he's our pick. It's Mr. Nyck. Yay!
Hey everybody, welcome to the Mr. Nyck Show, and I'm your host, Mr. Nyck. And I'm so excited because today, it's my birthday!
Happy birthday!
We're gonna celebrate my birthday. Allie already hung up a streamer for me. I'm so excited. Are you? Thanks for celebrating with me. Now, did you see our counting video? The episode we did where we were counting and we counted 6. We talked about 6 cupcakes, which is called half a dozen. And I said, hey kids, would you like to bake cupcakes with me when it's my birthday? And you guys all said, yeah. So let's bake some cupcakes for my birthday. But first, before we get started, let me introduce you to my co-host, Allie. How are you, Allie?
I'm great, but even more so, how are you?
Oh, I'm amazing. I'm so excited. Allie, you hung up the streamer. It says happy birthday for my birthday. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you like it?
I love it. You're such a good friend. I appreciate it. You're the best.
Thank you.
All right, kids, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bake some cupcakes, and if you have a grown-up at home, maybe you can bake cupcakes after watching this episode. First, I wanna keep my nice vest snazzy and clean, so I'm gonna grab an apron. I'll be right back. All right, now that I have my apron to keep my clothes clean in case we get any crazy ingredients splattering everywhere, let's talk about what kind of cupcakes I'm making today. These are funfetti. How do you not have fun when you're eating something called funfetti? It's a special occasion, so I'm gonna make something with some sugar in it, but these are also gluten-free. That's a good thing. All right, the first ingredient is the cake mix. Look at that, can you see the sprinkles in there? That's part of the funfetti.
That looks fun.
Yeah, it is fun. It's fun to eat. So dump in all the cake mix to my bowl. All right. The next thing, 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. It says put 3 eggs into your bowl. Is that right?
Mr. Nyck,
What?
I don't think that's what they mean.
What do you mean?
I think they might mean crack the egg.
Oh. You mean I have to crack the egg?
Yes.
I don't just put them in the bowl?
No, that might not taste good.
Yeah, a little crunchy. I don't like crunchy cupcakes. Do you kids? No. Okay, let me try cracking the eggs and see if that works better. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it happened. It cracked perfectly. Yay, there's 1 egg. Whoop. All right, let's do it again. Ooh. Whoop. There's 2 eggs. 1 more egg. Whoop. All right, here we go. Don't get shells in there. It'll be crunchy. Yay! 3 eggs. No shells. Yes.
Good job, Mr. Nyck.
Thanks, Allie. Okay, next I need a cup of water. Let me go get it. Okay, I have my cup of water. I'll pour it into the bowl. Here we go. Woo! All right, 1 more ingredient. It is 1/3 of a cup of oil. 1/3 of a cup. Let me go get it. Okay, I have my 1/3 of a cup of oil. Let's put that in. All right, oil's pretty thick, thicker than water, so it might take a minute to all drip out of the cup there. Here we go. Okay, next the ingredients say that I need to stir all this together. Got a clear bowl so you can see what we're doing. Let's start stirring. So we have the mix and the eggs and the water and the oil. I think this is gonna be yummy. What do you think, Allie?
I think it'll be pretty good. I can't wait to try one.
Yeah, me too. Ooh, I love making cupcakes. Kids, I hope you get the opportunity to make some cupcakes at home with your grown-up. That would be really nice. So you can see what it's like to make your own cupcakes. And either way, thanks for joining me for my birthday. I really love having you here with me today, making my cupcakes with me and Allie. Hey, hey.
That looks really good. Can I have it now?
Can I lick the spoon?
Yeah.
No, I probably shouldn't. Yeah, well, there's 3 raw eggs in there. I don't know.
I guess I can wait.
They say you're not supposed to eat the. I don't know. This looks pretty. Oh, that smells good. Smell that. Yeah, that smells great, huh, Allie? Okay. Now I think I got that pretty. Oh no! See, I didn't. Okay, see all that mix in there? That's why it says to grab a beater and now beat it. Let me go get my beater so I can beat the whole thing together because I obviously didn't do a good enough job. See all that cake mix in there? I guess the box knows what it's talking about. I'll be right back. All right, kids. I went and got the beater so we can beat all this stuff up really good. Now, if you're doing this at home, make sure to not pull the beater out of the bowl while it's spinning because things will fly everywhere. And even though it might be kind of silly, your grown-ups will not be happy because it'll make a huge mess. Don't do it. Okay, here we go. Put the beater in first. Oh boy. Okay. It's kind of loud, huh?
So it's mixing everything?
It's mixing everything. That's right, Allie. Mixing. Oh boy, what a mess. I'm gonna have to take these out and shake them off to get all that batter off. That looks crazy. What a mess. But it's gonna taste amazing. All right, let's get all that cake batter off so we have enough to make 12 cupcakes. That's right, we're gonna make 1 dozen. 1 dozen cupcakes is 12. All right, let's put this over here. All right, let's get all the cake batter off and put that in the bowl. Thanks for joining me again on my birthday, guys. It really means a lot to me. Allie, thanks for being here and setting up the banner for my birthday. You're the best.
You're welcome. Let's hurry up, Mr. Nyck. I want to eat this. You told me I couldn't eat any of that.
That's a good point, Allie. You're right. Okay.
So, Mr. Nyck,
Yeah.
we mixed everything,
Yep.
but I still don't see cupcakes.
Oh, that's a good point. How do we get all this to be 12 different cupcakes? Good question, Allie. Let's get our cupcake tin right here. Let's make sure that there's 12, all right, kids? Want to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 places for 12 cupcakes, which we call 1 dozen. All right. But we don't just pour the batter into there. We have to put our little cupcake foils in. That way it doesn't stick and we can get these out easier. All right, kids. You ready to count these with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a half a dozen. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 1 dozen. Now we have to put the cake batter in, then we put it in the oven. So I'm going to get my spoon that I originally mixed everything with, and I'm not going to fill each one of these up all the way because when you put them in the oven and they bake, get a little bit bigger. They grow. So give it some room or else it'll be overflowing. It'll be crazy. What a mess. So let's put a little bit into that. A little bit more. All right, so you can see, kids, that we didn't fill it up quite all the way. Not all the way. It's up there, but not all the way. And we're gonna do that 11 more times. And 12. All right. All right, we filled up. You giving me that look because I licked it off my finger. I'm sorry. I mean, it's on my finger. What am I supposed to do? I mean, it's just, would you like some?
That tastes delicious.
It does, huh? I can't wait to bake them and then put the frosting on and the sprinkles on top. You think that tastes good? Wait till we're done. All right, kids, I already have the oven all preheated. If you're doing this at home, have your grown-up put them in the oven. Let's bake some cupcakes. See you soon after they're done. All right, I put these in the oven and they baked and they look amazing. I had to let them cool off because you can't put frosting on a hot cupcake or else it'll just melt right off. So cool them off, let them cool off first. Look at the sprinkles. That's funfetti right there.
These smell so good.
Oh yeah, they sure do. All right, kids. Now you're gonna put the frosting on. Now there's a couple different ways you can do this. One, with a knife, and again, have your grown-ups with you, okay? Don't just do this on your own. Now with a knife, I can spread the frosting on. You put it on nice and even, a little thick, get it on there. The more frosting, the better, I think. All right, a little more here. Some frosting around the edges. All right. It's a little messy looking, but you know what? I'm just gonna eat it anyways, so who cares? Okay. Another way of doing it is with a bag, a frosting bag. Now I got a special frosting tip here. I put the icing in the bag and then I can squeeze the frosting out and do it like that. It's kind of fun. It looks a lot better and it's actually pretty easy. See that? Looks a lot better. Don't you think? Either way, this is gonna be just as tasty as this one is. So one last thing for a funfetti cupcake. You can do vanilla, chocolate, whatever you like. I chose funfetti. It's my birthday. More sprinkles. That's right. More sprinkles on the funfetti. Woo! All right. Don't make a big mess, but I'm just gonna put some sprinkles, right on top. It's gonna be yummy, huh, Allie?
Yes.
All right. Boop, boop, boop. Yummy. Now that I've made the cupcakes and we put the frosting and the sprinkles on, I'm so excited to eat one.
Wait. You can't eat it yet.
Why not?
We didn't sing happy birthday and you didn't blow out a candle yet.
You're right. I didn't even think about that. Good thinking. Thank you, Allie.
You're welcome.
Okay, this is an interesting looking candle here. Let's see what happens.
I got it special for you.
Oh, it's a special candle. Okay.
I hope you like it.
Kids, get a grown up to do this, okay? You don't light fires. All right.
All right. think we should all sing Mr. Nyck a happy birthday song.
Okay.
All right, ready everyone? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Nyck. Happy birthday to you.
What? Look at this candle. What was that? That was amazing.
It's like a firework.
Wow, you guys did such a great job singing happy birthday. You made the candles sparkle. That was amazing, Allie. Cool Oh.
You know I like sparkle.
You do like sparkle. That is true. You do like sparkle. Wow. What is going on with that candle? That's amazing.
Are you going to make a wish, Mr. Nyck?
I will make a wish. I'll keep it to myself though, because that candle's crazy. I made a wish. What is going on with that candle? I want to blow it out, but I'm intrigued. Whoa.
I told you it was special.
Maybe I should put it down. It looks a little crazy. All right, I'll blow it out. You ready?
Yay! Happy birthday, Mr. Nyck.
Wow, that was a crazy candle. I'm gonna be careful when I take it out because I don't know if it's still hot or not, but I know that I really want to take a bite of this cupcake that we made today.
How is it?
That's a great cupcake, kids. I think I need some milk with that. That was amazing. All right, everybody. Hope I don't have a frosting mustache. Thank you so much for being here with me on my birthday. You guys, we made cupcakes. Thank you so much. I had a great time. It's a lot of fun. But before we get going, you know what time it is. It's time for the joke of the day! Okay, Allie, are you ready?
Ready.
How do you make a Kleenex dance?
I don't know.
You put a little boogie in it! All right, everybody. I had so much fun today. I hope you love this episode. Make some cupcakes at home if you can, if you want to, if your grown-ups allow you to. It's so much fun. All right, everybody. Had a great time today. Thanks for joining me on my birthday. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Nyck, Mr. Nyck, he's our pig. It's Mr. Nyck. Yay!